friends, welcome to my channel. Before moving further, we are today conducting a live webinar based on Elliott waves for our Telegram members. My YouTube channel is Sanither, and if you have not subscribed, you can click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. And our Telegram channel, Stock Market for Beginners, you can join that. This is not a tip providing channel, and this is a learning channel. We share our learning and findings with each other, and we regularly conduct free webinars so that our knowledge is increased. You can join this. In fact, today we are also conducting this webinar, so let us start that. Thank you.
Okay, let us start. So basically, these are the three forms of flats, and we were discussing about the regular flat. Is that concept clear to you, or do you want me to again explain it? You can unmute yourself, and is the regular flat clear or not? Okay, is my screen visible? The slide is visible. One second. Uh,
Yes, the screen is visible now and we are able to hear you.
Yeah. So my question is the regular flat clear to you, or do you want me to explain it again?
Sunny, you will have to explain again because last when you started, we couldn't hear the audio in the YouTube.
Yeah, let me explain it again quickly.
And one quick question, are these patterns?
Yeah, these are the corrective patterns, and we will see it in the chart. Okay.
Okay, so these are corrective patterns, but are there any patterns on impulsive when impulse is going on? So that's the question I had.
Uh, we will discuss the impulsive patterns also, and let us first
Okay,
study. So
fine.
suppose there is an impulsive move first. Okay, because right now market is in a corrective structure. We should first study what is a corrective structure, and once market will again start, so there is an impulsive up move or down move. After that we get a move in the opposite direction. So this is the fast move, and then we again get a corrective move. This move is less than this move. I mean, the top of this move is lower than the top of this. You can see, right? And then we again get a move which breaks the previous low. So you can see this is like this and this. This is A, this is B, this is C. So are you able to visualize this structure? You guys unmute yourself.
Yes,
And okay. Ayush, you joined. Are you able to? Have you got this concept, or should I explain again? Is Ayush on the call, or? So let us go to the second one, irregular flat. So irregular flat is also same. You will have an up move, then you will have a down move. So this at up to this point both are same. Then this part, the correction part, it will go above this point. In regular flat, it stops here, but in expandable or irregular flat, it goes above this, and then it breaks this also. In this, it breaks itself. It goes above this point also. It goes above this point also, and this is A, this is B, this is C. Understood? So just remember these structures, and we will see examples. And the third one is irregular flat. That is first part is common in that also, and this correction will go above this point, but when it is falling, it will not break this point. In an expandable, it breaks this top also and this top and this bottom also, but in regular correction, this bottom is not broken. So visual, are you able to, remember these three diagrams? Is there any doubt on these? Anyone can unmute yourself and
Yes, understood.
okay. So let us now let us see this in the chart. One important point in this is that in A, B, C, B is the corrective move, which means B will be very, slow. A is the fast move, so you will see quick drop. When let me again draw this. So when there is at A, it will be very fast, okay? But when it is forming B, it to move from this point to this point, it will take a lot of time. So,
Okay.
this is a major point. This is one of the, most important point for any correction, because people usually don't understand this point. You can only call B when it is slow. If it is, suppose you get something like this. If you get something like this is not B, because this is also fast, right? So
Okay.
the B should be slow one. We will see what I mean by slow. So this is one important point which we have to take into notice. So let us again go to some case studies. So you see this is an impulsive move from this to this point, and then this is a correction. So can anyone explain? We have studied three forms of flats. Which one is this? Anyone?
The first pattern which you said. No?
Yes, this is the first one, regular, because this top is lower than this top, and this top has broken this. So let us again go to that. This one. Let me again draw. So let us go there. You see, this is a fast move down, and then you see these small candles. So this is slow, right?
Yes.
So this is the slowness which I am talking about. So this is B, and then you again get a fast move to the down. So let us see another example. This example. What is this pattern? Can anyone tell me? Can all the participants mute yourself? Anyone this pattern?
Is it ending diagonal?
No. I am asking only the patterns which we have studied. We have studied three patterns today, right? Corrective patterns. So on the basis of that, this is the fast impulse move.
Okay.
See, this was the impulsive move, and then this is the fast move down. Okay. Let me again show you this. See, this is fast move. Then this is the upward correction. This is not below this. Let me draw it here. You see a fast in. Let me clear this first. There is one move, then there is down move, and up move, down move. Then there is one corrective pattern, and then and then there is one more down move. But this is not breaking this, right? This is not breaking here. And this is again going up. So what sort of pattern is this?
So I don't recollect the name you initially said. I mean, like corrective. First, second, third, मुझे वो पता है बस.
So is the first or second or third?
वो first part ही clear नहीं है ना, so I'm not able to gauge.
This first part is not clear
It's
to
a
you?
third move.
See, in third, what happens? If there is an up move, this is there is an up move, then there is fast down move. In third one, the correction will break this top, which is the B wave. If this is an A wave, the correction will break this top. And let us reverse this. If there is an impulsive down move, then there will be a fast pullback, and then the correction will break this pattern, and then it will go again up. So is this happening here? Is the correction, if this is an impulse, this is a correction, and this is not breaking this also, right? In regular flat, what happens? This correction breaks this A, right? The first example, regular flat, the correction happens, this is lower than this, but this breaks the A. This is A. Remember this like this. We have three waves, A, B, C. So A will be the first corrective wave. If impulse move, main impulse is upside, then correction A will be downside. So this is A. This is clear?
Yes.
Now we will get a corrective move, B. So B, if B doesn't break the top, but breaks this A again, so this is B and this is C. So this is regular flat because it does not break the top and again breaks A. This is the simplest form.
Yes.
So this is regular one. Now irregular one, expanded. See, focus on the word expanded. This expands on both sides, goes above this and goes below this only. So second one is this. The corrective pattern breaks this also, and then the impulsive move breaks this also. So the pattern is expandable flag because see, this is expanding on this side also and expanding on this side also. Okay, and the third one is running flat. In that case, the correction will go above this, but it will quickly come for another way down, which is C. This is a B. This will not break this. So let us see the example again. See this one. This is the chart of Wipro. This is the daily chart. You will see. You can see that once this presentation is over. Which pattern is this?
Expandable.
Right. See, this is expandable because you can see fast down move A. Then you see a corrective move. This is a corrective move, and then it again goes above this. It breaks both sides. It breaks this side also, and it breaks this side also. Understood? See, you will see these regularly on the chart. Just you want, these three patterns, you have to learn them. Let me show you again one more. So this is one, there is, apart from these three, there is one more pattern, corrective, that is known as contracting flat. But I will not discuss that today because it will, I think it will create confusion. Let us focus on these three only. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So let us,
Yes, sir.
let us see on the Nifty first. Let me go to the directly on the charts and show you how this works. So this is the weekly chart. So now we have to identify whether the move is fast or slow. So if you see this move, is this fast or this is slow?
Fast.
Okay, so this is a fast move. So this is A wave. Now, is this fast? This is fast or slow?
Fast.
So this is
Fast.
fast, but our condition was that second should be, B should be slow. So this is not wave. When this happens, it means we will not have a three-wave structure, but it will be a complex structure. Is this point clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now we see that this is a fast, and then again you see. So basically what happens, let me again, for every move in Elliott, there is a corresponding. So if there is an up move, this is an up move. Is this an up move?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So for every up move, there will be one more up move.
Okay.
And in between there is correction. So this is the correction. This is a wave. And for this up move, there is one more up move. For this down move, there is one more down move. Is this concept, I mean, are you able to understand
Yes,
this?
sir.
What? Let me again
Yes.
show you. So this is fast. First thing, first wave is very, I mean, easy to understand. This is fast move. But if we don't get a, slow move here, then this is not B. I mean, this is part of B, but this, I mean, this is not the end of B. Normally, what we have seen that after fast move, we will get a corrective move and then down. But this, if this is not a slow move, but instead this is a fast move, then this will not be B. In this case, B ends at here. Let me show you how.
Slow moving.
We have to look for the correction. Let us focus on the B wave also. B wave internally is itself in form of ABC. So every wave is internally also a wave. So we understand there was ABC total, A, B, and C, but B wave itself is three wave structure. So let us mark three wave of B. This is this point is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
So now B starts, right? Because there is a trend line breakout. So this A has ended here. Now in B, there is itself on a lower degree of this weekly chart. This is the impulsive part. What is the impulsive part known as? See there, first there was an impulsive move. What we labeled that?
A, right?
Right. So I mean, I told in B also there is an ABC, right? B itself is a three-wave structure. First is A, B, and C. So in B also, A will be fast, B will be corrective, and C will be fast. So this is for B, this is the A, this is the correction, this is the small b, and this is again fast C. So B ends here. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I mean, this is a very complex topic and you have to see more examples. But the main point is that B should be slow. So from this, suppose this is the point, from this point to this point, is it fast move or is it a complex, slow move?
Slow.
So that is the main criteria of B, right? This all is the correction. This is a fast move. This all is the correction. This is B, and this is a down move. So what pattern is this?
Running.
Regular.
For running, we have to cross this, right?
So it's regular.
This is regular one.
Okay.
Correction, and then it breaks this, right?
Sir, now a C wave will also have ABC correction like that.
No, C is an impulsive wave. B
Okay.
is, so impulsive wave can have 3, can have 5 also. So C can have 5 also. But that doesn't mean that we have to now find 5 waves in this. That can be, this is a weekly chart, right? So when this trend line broke out, I was aware that now a C has started. So if, let me again show you. At this point, you know that B is there, right? You know that B has ended here, right?
Right, sir.
So now we are expecting what? C.
Yes.
So the title of this video is how to predict the next wave. Now, what sort of prediction you are doing if this is B? You are knowing that now market has to go down to complete the C wave. Suppose
Right,
let me suppose there is an option to remove this. Oh, where is it? Suppose I am clearing this. So at this point of the time, now I know that there is a possible C wave coming.
Yes.
This is right. I am predicting that this is A, this is B, and the market should go down to complete C wave. So I am predicting this, but I have to go. Suppose I am going to the daily chart. C wave will start once this wave ends, when B ends, and B will end if I suppose get a trend line breakout, right? Every wave, once a trend line is broken, that wave ends.
Okay,
And
sir.
now I'm expecting C. So that means now bigger fall will come. So now if I clear this, you see, there was a bigger fall after this. So because I was already expecting, if you know Elliott, you already can predict that now a fall of C wave will come. No, there is a probability, right? Now nothing is sure in there. Maybe we are doing something wrong, but we are not directly taking here that now market we will find evidence here. Now suppose there is a trend line breakout. Now again there is an head and shoulders pattern. There is an head and shoulders pattern here. Let me draw that. Are you guys aware of the head and shoulders pattern?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
See, this is a head and shoulders pattern. So this is bearish pattern, right?
Right,
Yes.
sir.
So now does it make sense?
Yes.
So is it hard or this is easy?
Multiple example, it would become easy later.
Yeah. The first important point is that normally people trade the head and shoulders pattern, but now if you add this context here, that you are expecting a down move and then you are getting a head and shoulders pattern. You were already expecting a down move here, right?
Right, sir.
So then if you get a bearish pattern, that it adds to your, you are more sure that now price will move down.
Correct.
Yes, more confirmation.
So basically Elliott is not used to, this sort of wave analysis not used to directly trade, but this helps you where the market is going. Is it going up or is it going down? Suppose anyone wants to invest and he gets a, now you will get a bullish pattern here now in this side, so you will know that no, but market has to go down also, so you will not take those bullish trades here. Correct. So let us see some other examples. But is this understanding clear, whatever was taught till now?
So can
Yes.
we predict when will C wave will get over?
See,
Like now a move will start.
similar. Let me show you. We
So
know
how
that.
much percentage does it?
Like you told, like after B wave there is a trend breakdown. We get to know that
See,
signal
now
now C
suppose
will
this is
come.
C, right?
Right, sir.
So do you see any? Let's go to the daily. So do you see any? You see bearishness or you see bullishness right now? Is there divergence or there is no divergence?
There is no divergence.
There is no
No divergence.
divergence, which means even if you get an up move, there can be a possible down move, and then there might be a divergence, right? Which,
Okay.
and once there is a divergence, what it means that it may be the fifth wave.
Okay, sir.
So then there may be a case of ending diagonal.
पर ये तो ABC कर रहे हैं ना, fifth wave कहाँ से आया?
See, ABC, like I told, each wave
C wave.
in itself is composed of many waves. C is
Yes,
an
sir.
impulsive wave, and impulsive wave is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
C is see, correction is on weekly, right? But if you go to daily, then this C wave will also look like 5 wave because it is an impulsive wave.
So you mean to say ABC जो हम कर रहे हैं, that is only on weekly basis, not on daily basis?
Yeah, ABC is on daily basis. I mean on weekly basis.
Weekly basis.
This is also on daily basis, but then that will be for smaller duration. We have to go
So
for
tell me one thing. आपने जो last time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave जो सिखाया था,
right.
उसके बाद का ABC होता है. So ABC it's not a corrective one.
See,
It is a corrective one.
even if you see a 1 second chart, 1 minute chart, they will have a 5 wave, then there will be ABC.
Correct.
So this is 5 impulsive waves on the weekly are over, and now ABC correction is there. Maybe on the daily we are seeing 5. We have to analyze on daily separately, but best is to analyze what is the on higher interval, because it gives correct signal, right? Now you are expecting B to end here, and on daily then you can trade, right? If you
Okay,
are
so in the higher frame we should see corrective measure, और in daily frame वो ही corrective में हमें impulsive भी मिल जाएगा.
see, you can do on daily also. Like you can see there is a divergence here. So this is fifth. Then we get a fast move down. This will be. This is all fast, right?
Okay, yes, yes.
And then whatever we see on weekly, this was very easy to see, but on daily you guys will be more, see there is more what you say, more noises here,
Right, sir.
so it will be hard for you to analyze this because this all is B. This all in weekly it was very easy to understand, but on daily this will be hard. So this is, let me show you. This is now A, this is complete, this is B. Now B starts from A, this is A or B, then this part is B or B, and this part is C of B. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Once C ends, we start C, which is 5 wave move. So we may get 5 wave move here. I think this meeting may end in some time. So let's, I mean, if you have any question, we can take that, and we may connect again next time to with more patterns. But is everything which was taught today understood, or
So
Yes, sir.
one
Understood.
request, sir, that if I'm doing some study on some of my charts, and if I want to share it with you and ask you if it is correct or no, where
yeah,
do I connect you?
uh,
So if you can have a channel on Telegram which gives an interactive channel, I think that would be, more good to interact with people and you. So if we are doing mistake or no, we
you
should
can, you
understand.
are you part of that stock market group?
Yes, we are.
So you can ask in my I mean Quora group also. So I am very active there also.
Quora. Acha, okay. Fair.
I mean the
ठीक है.
Telegram group for which we have the Telegram group.
So Telegram group is one-way communication. In that we can't message.
Uh,
Yeah. So in Telegram itself, you can have one channel which will give an interactive. So हम भी आपको message डाल सकते हैं.
so I mean you guys can create an admin.
Okay, sir. We
It's
can
your
make a group.
it's your group now, so it has to be
Yes,
from you. I mean,
But
it is
because
better.
you are the
my
owner
group
of the
does not
channel.
have any. I mean, I don't get any option in which you users can, I mean, send messages. I mean, I didn't see any option there. I have seen
Okay.
other groups where user also send, but I think that is, I don't know which setting is there.
What happens is there is one group where I've joined, which that admin has made one group which is non-interactive. The other similar name group he has made it for interactive. So if somebody is studying and want to share something over there ना, then they chat over there. और आपको जो मैसेज डालना है ना वो नॉन चैटिंग वाले ग्रुप में आप अकेले डाल सकते हैं.
You can ping me directly if you have my Telegram ID.
No, it's not mentioned there. That's the thing.
Okay.
आप आपके साथ जो भी लर्न कर रहे हैं ना क्या मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं ना दे कैन क्लियर इट विथ यू सो यू कैन हैव अ स्लॉट ऑफ टाइम केस
So
in between you
let
can
me see. Any of you guys are not able to see my personal ID there?
No, sir, we are not able to see your personal ID. I will request you again to try making a new channel. There you can check if there is any option of public like that in.
क्या होता है वो कर ही सकते हैं if you want I can ask them it's very easy I mean
Let me check if that is possible. I will do it.
so you can share the link also
But
of that
I
interactive
mean,
channel
but
also.
that one more reason is that I'm not doing that because then if I am posting something important and then people are posting a lot of I mean other things, then this will I mean to
नहीं
get.
that's why I'm saying ना कि आपका दो ग्रुप रहेंगे एक इंटरेक्टिव वाला और एक रहेगा जो नॉन इंटरेक्टिव है जो अभी का है आपका स्टॉक मार्केट वाला
Yeah,
तो
let us
उसमें आप
let me
अपनी
see if I can do if
yeah you can
till
use it
that time you
explore it
can ask the question on that group also. Let me show you how. So this is the group.
पूरा
Yeah, so basically this is our group, stock market for beginners. You can either post here or you can ask the question here. So you can add question here directly.
Okay, sir.
Do it for now and I will look into that.
Sir, there was one question in chat when you was checking divergence. तो उसमें से वो नीचे जो MACD चार्ट्स थे MACD हिस्टोग्राम्स हैं जो ये हैं बिलो चार्ट
हाँ
ये वाली जी सर ये MACD है हाउ
this is MACD.
Okay. And sir, I have asked one question on Quora about SBI card. You have told me that there is a ending diagonal pattern.
So let me answer that in 2 minutes are pending.
Yes, sir.
SBI card.
Will there be any up move? Actually, I was holding 3,400 shares with an average of
See,
9
this
to
is the question,
5.
right? Suppose now Nifty is in C wave. Do I know now when it will end? I don't have that.
Yes.
Neither I have that control See, that is done by FIs or some big institute. How will I can predict that now Nifty will up move, right? Understand this,
Okay.
that I can only know that once a trend line is broke, this wave is ended. So I will see evidence of that, right?
Right, sir.
I don't know that whether this will. So see, there is one other playlist of mine, demand and supply. Have you seen that?
On YouTube, sir, I will go through it, but I
Yeah.
haven't
So
watched
that is
yet.
one way. Let me show you how. So if you see this SBI card, this is one demand zone in this. If this is also broken, then you should exit this. So this is the demand zone. If you guys also, if I have a playlist of demand and supply, so if you learn that also, then this will be very efficient for you guys too. Then Elliott will add to your so once you know that, you can, and we will conduct on that also, but you guys can already, there's a playlist, you guys can watch that. See, let me show you what I was talking about. This is an ending diagonal, okay,
Yes, sir.
and then the price has fallen. So now if suppose after this we again get an impulsive move, let me show you quickly. There is less than 1 minute. Let us discuss this next time, but we
No
have to
problem,
wait,
sir.
okay.
No
uh,
problem,
so
sir. We will
so
discuss next time.
so thank you for joining. Let us if you have doubts, I will look into creating new channel or something like that. Till then, let's, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks
Thank
a
you
lot,
so
sir.
much.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.